All right, so we just have some lemon here. This is just my raw white shrimp that I thawed out. Go ahead and evenly distribute those on top of our lemon. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious seafood dinner. Okay, I'm gonna grab 1 stick of butter and we are gonna drizzle that right on top of our shrimp. And I have the shrimp with the tails on. You can get the ones with the tails off. It doesn't matter because this is just gonna be a grab and go kind of dinner, yeah. So just evenly distribute that 1 stick of melted butter on top of the entire dish. Doesn't that look amazing?
Babe, this looks fantastic. I could just see the lemon absorbing into that shrimp.
Yeah, okay, now I have some thyme here. And I did wash this, so don't worry about that. And we're just gonna kind of evenly distribute these little sprigs of thyme all over the dish. This is just gonna add the best flavor. Ooh, they have like little blossoms on them. I've never seen thyme like that. Okay, does that affect the taste, you think?
I mean, I think it adds more flavor, but thyme's edible.
Yes,
So,
I know it's
so
edible.
even if the flowers are there, it's still edible.
All right, so that looks almost good. Perfect. Maybe one more, right there.
Oh, yep. Yeah, there we go. There it is.
There we go. It's okay if it gives you a little trouble. We got plenty of time. All right, now I'm gonna grab some parsley and I'm just gonna cut this parsley all over the dish. It's nice to have these fresh herbs to go on top of our shrimp. It just makes it way more flavorful than, non-fresh herbs. Am I right?
You know what? When you cut it, it also it's more aromatic.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it has great taste. It's like you extract the taste.
Yep, exactly. And you know what? Like I say with all my dishes, it's customizable. So if there's a certain herb you love more than these two, throw it on there. It's gonna be super flavorful regardless of the herb you use. I mean, I probably wouldn't use cilantro because cilantro isn't really gonna go with the vibe of this dish, but have fun with it. Okay, that looks perfect. Now I have some garlic here. So this is just 1 whole garlic that I peeled, and we are gonna use all of these cloves right in here. And I know it seems crazy to put these cloves in here full and unminced, but you know what? They're gonna soften up and we're gonna be able to smush them into this dish and it's gonna be so delicious. I love a good garlic clove. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some salt and we're gonna put salt on the entire dish, just like that. We have some pepper here and I want a lot of pepper, okay? Don't judge me for the amount of pepper I put on this, okay? If your dinner is not seasoned, do not invite me over, okay?
That's for sure.
And we're not stopping there. I have some paprika, and this is gonna add that pop of color that it needed.
Wow.
Even if you can't taste the paprika, it just makes it look pretty, right?
Yeah, and you eat with your eyes first, right? That's what Brian says.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that. All right, and then I have some Italian seasoning. We are going heavy with the seasoning, you guys. You cannot come over and tell me I do not season my dishes, all right? Beautiful.
Interesting choice, but we're with it.
Oh, trust me, these flavors complement each other perfectly.
They better.
I have 1 more ingredient to add, and that is some chopped onions. This is the only non-fresh thing I'm using. Just, be easy on me. I can't get all fresh things. With inflation these days, it's expensive, so I'm using the minced garlic, but trust me, the flavor will not be compromised.
If you keep putting seasonings, I'm gonna be inflated too.
All right, I'll stop there. Let's go ahead and look at that bottom with all those beautiful lemons and just imagine all those juices just, with that beautiful shrimp. All right, so my oven is set to 350 and this is only gonna cook for 15 minutes.
Nice. And rolling.
Oh my, this smells incredible.
Wow, look at that.
I mean, look at all that flavor and juiciness. You cannot go wrong with this. Okay, let's go ahead. I want to grab a little lemon because that's the flavor, right?
Yeah.
Look at that. Okay, and let's grab some shrimp to go on top. Oh, the shrimp is perfectly cooked. Do you see that?
That looks so pretty.
I know, that's what I was going for. If it's not pretty, I don't want to eat it. Okay, we need a little bit of, I want one more lemon, even if it gives me some trouble.
Will you hurry? I'm hungry.
I know. This is for me, though. This is too fancy for you.
What are you talking about? Look how big that is. No way.
Okay, let's
Looks so good.
put these right on top. Presentation is everything, you guys. I should probably use my actual hands instead of these little tongs.
Look at that.
Get your garnish. A chunk of garlic. And there you go. Look at that beautiful
Wow.
dish. A little appetizer, a little dinner, whatever you want to eat that for. Let's do it. Okay. Don't eat the tail.
Is it good?
Juicy and delicious.
Can I have some?
Mm-hmm.